Question 32 from the Geometry Ohio Spring 2019 release questions. A university determined that the number of students pursuing different degrees by gender. What is gender anyway? Some of the results are shown. Now, before we try to answer the question, let's just be safe and let's fill in the things that are missing. If you add these two together, you should get this right here. So that means, what would you add the 500 to get 2,500? 2,000, or in other words, 2,500 minus 500 is 2,000. If we subtract 6,250 and 2,500, we're going to get 3,750. If we were to add these three numbers, we should get 12,500. So that means that if I were to take 12,500 minus 3,750 minus 500, I would get this is 8,250. And then to get this number here, you can get it in a couple different ways. The easiest way is to take 16,250 minus 8,250. And that gives me 8,000. Now that I have that written out, now let's look at the question. What is the probability that a female student chosen at random is pursuing an undergraduate degree? One way you could write this if you wanted, the probability of the person's getting an undergraduate degree given that they're a female. So we are only looking at this row right here. So the bottom number is the total number of females, 12,500. The top number is the number that are getting an undergraduate degree, 8,000. That's not one of the choices. I'm not going to spend time reducing this. I'm just going to throw this in my calculator and hope that is one of the answers. Something tells me I did something wrong because that number is ridiculous. I think this comma messes up the calculation. Boom, there you go. I don't know what a comma means in a calculator apparently, but I shouldn't use them in this one. 64%. The reason I knew the answer wasn't what it said said 640. For that to be true, the top number had to be bigger than the bottom, which it isn't. So yeah, I agree. Question mark, am I right? So this is a two-way table, fill in the information, and then after that, it's a conditional probability.